Tell me something about yourself. I am Suraj Madisia and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from IES College of Technology with current CGPA overall of 7.91. And I did my schooling via state board. I got 12th in 71% marks and I got 10th in 83% of marks. As apart from my study, I know OOPS and Python and SQL, and I have done my minor project in Musica Player, which is used PyCharm ID and graphical user interface with database connectivity. And I talk about my achievement. I achieve R5 star in Python and SQL on HackerRank platform, and I achieve 8th rank on Codeathon. What is Python? Sir, Python is a general purpose programming language and it is an object oriented programming language, and Python is a dynamic type language and it is an interpreter language. Tell me something about your project. I have done my minor project in Musica Player. I had used tkinter and Pygame module used in Python. And like feature, it had features like playing these songs repeatedly, play multiple selected songs. If needed, we can go the history. These are the concept in project. What is self keyword? Self keyword is a reference variable. It is refer the current class object, so it is called self keyword. What is namespace in Python? In Python, namespace is a namespace using naming, and it is avoid the name conflict of the name, so it is called namespace in Python. And what is identifier? In Python, identifier identify the name, and it is used function, variable, and module, and so these are the used in identifier. How to memory manage in Python? In Python, memory manager is managed the private heap space area, and user cannot access the private heap space area, but data structures and object create the private heap space area, so it is called memory manage in Python. And what is lambda function? Sir, in Python, lambda function is a anonym function, and it is a keyword lambda, and we can write the code only one statement. And what is built-in function in Python? Sir, built-in function in Python like integer, float, string, boolean, complex, these are the built-in function in Python. What is benefit in Python and key features? Sir, first of all, Python is easy to learn compared to another language, and second point, in Python we can write few some line codes and run the any platform compared to another language. And Python does not support curly braces, open and close, and Python is an interpreter language, and Python is a dynamically typed language, and Python is a free open source. And what is list and tuples? Sir, list is a mutable and tuple is a immutable. List can be changed, but tuple cannot be changed. And list we can create a square bracket, and tuple we can create parentheses. These are the major difference. What are the negative index and positive index in Python? Sir, negative index we are using slicing operator, and negative index we can search the element right to left side, and -1 to n, and positive index we can searching the element left to right, and start the zero index and to n index. And Python is a case sensitive or not? Yes, Python is a case sensitive language. Okay. Difference between break and continue statement in Python. Sir, break and continue statement, those are the statement in Python, and break statement is used in loop, and it is keyword break, and it is breaking the loop part, and continue statement using in Python. Continue is used keyword continue, and we can jump the next iteration of the loop. So these are the continue and break statement. What is dictionary in Python? Sir, dictionary is using in Python. Dictionary is using key value pair. How to declare command in Python? Sir, in Python, compare like C and C++. Python we can write the command only single line. Python does not support multiple line comments, and comments using in Python octothorpe. What is SQL? Sir, SQL stands for structured query language, and it is communicate the database, and we can access the insert, update, and modify in the table. Okay. What is join in SQL? Sir, in SQL we can combination of 2 or more table in the database, so it is called join. These are the types of join. There are 4 types. There are many types of join. Inner join, and left join, right join, full join. Difference between where clause and having. Say, where clause in SQL we cannot use aggregate function. We cannot work on aggregate function where clause, and having we can work on aggregate function.